Hi everyone, we are ready to continue with our 1-point perspective in a circle. So before our spring break, you used the compass, made a large circle for this paper, and you included a dot. This dot is actually your vanishing point, and everything in your picture is going to appear like it vanishes here. You're going to be looking up. It's as if you are maybe laying down in the grass and looking upward. So now we're going to use a ruler, and all the lines that we are going to draw now have to intersect on this vanishing point. And you want to draw lightly. So I'm going to take my pencil, my first one, go right across. And then going around. And you'll see that we'll be adding more of these lines, but we're going to use these to start with. Now that we have that, we're going to think about adding buildings. And the buildings are going to go all around the circle, and at the center here is you're going to be looking up at the sky. So I don't think I want a building this wide. I want to make it a little shorter, so I'm going to go to the vanishing point and then draw another line here. And I'm going to take my ruler and make my first building. So here, this is short. I don't want to draw my buildings right up to the top because I want to leave area for the sky. Now my next building, maybe I'll make something a little narrow. So I'm at that vanishing point. And I'll make this line for the top of the building. And then I'll come down a little bit lower. And you have to make sure that that line, the top of the building, is straight according to down here to the bottom. Okay, something like that. Now, of course, I'm going to continue around, but I want to show you how I'll go about adding some windows. So to add the windows, you want to make sure that you're lined up with your vanishing point. And I'll add a few windows on this building. And then a door at the bottom. And I'm still lined up here, the side of the window and the side of this door. And I'm lining this ruler up to be parallel to this line. So that's how you'd go about adding the windows. So I'm going to continue around, and maybe in this picture, I mean, it can be a cityscape, all buildings, but perhaps you have maybe a house in here. So I'm going to make something here and maybe a triangle for the top of the roof. Maybe I want a flag on top of this building, so I'll have like a little line here, and then make a flag. And you're going to go all the way around, avoiding making things go up to the top. Now the other thing that you could add, another element you could add to this neighborhood or cityscape is a tree. So here I'm going to have this tree. And I want to keep the tree within that space, okay? And you're going to continue all the way around, and then I'm going to show you how to do the coloring part.